my friends, and this time we'll take a detailed look at this all-new 2013 Ford Fusion Hybrid. It is equipped with heated mirrors with integrated blind spot mirrors. This touch-sensitive surface is a keyless entry keypad. It is dune color interior with leather seats. It is equipped with power locks, power windows, and power mirrors, and 3-person memory settings. Door integrated small speakers. And the driver has the most comfort in this car with 10-way power adjustment seat, and the front passenger seat has only 2-way power adjustment. This is how the key looks like with the fold-away metal part. And now let's try to start the car. And after you turn on the key, the dashboard lights up, showing the message that you're ready to drive. And the trip computer's screen is on the left, showing the average MPG and the level of the battery charge. Leather-wrapped steering wheel with audio controls on the right and the cruise control on the left. It is quite soft steering wheel with good quality leather. It is equipped with My Ford touchscreen that includes AM/FM radio, single CD, MP3, Sirius XM satellite radio, navigation, and parking assist. Adjustment for your sound, vehicle health report, settings of your voice control, your smartphone can be connected to the system via Bluetooth. This screen has compass and heated seat controls. Under vehicle settings, keyless door keypad code can be programmed that I showed earlier. The 12-volt outlet is down below. Electronic parking brake release. It is equipped with automatic continuously variable transmission. Rear view camera is estimating distance to the obstacles. It is also displaying the trajectory of the vehicle while parking. Transmission also equipped with hill start support. Two large-size adjustable cup holders on the middle console. Middle storage has a removable tray, inputs for your DVD, SD card, and 2 USB inputs. leather-wrapped elbow support, large lockable glove box with 2 levels, ceiling-located microphones for your voice control on drivers and passenger sides, sun visors with integrated vanity mirrors, sunglasses storage is integrated into the ceiling as well. Touch-sensitive surface controls for your CD player, dual climate control and heated seats. Trunk open button is right by the driver's left knee. Driver knee airbag, manual tilt and telescopic steering wheel adjustment. And now let's open the hood and see the engine. This 2013 Ford Fusion Hybrid, equipped with a combination of 2-liter inline-4 Atkinson cycle aluminum block engine and electric motor, the whole hybrid system produces 188 horsepower and 130 foot-pounds of torque. MPG is the same for the city and highway, and the number is 47. The gasoline engine just started automatically to recharge the battery. It is equipped with 17-inch aluminum wheels with 4-wheel disc brakes and anti-lock braking system. Now let's check out the back seat. A 12-volt power outlet and the 110-volt outlet. Voice-controlled microphone for the back passengers. Fold-away elbow support with 2 integrated cup holders. Adjustable headrests. My height is 6'2", and sitting right behind myself, this is how much of a legroom I have. Trunk lead integrated rear view camera. Regular non-hybrid Ford Fusion's trunk is pretty big, but quite a big part of this one is taken by the battery. And I'm just trying to show you how big it is. Back seats still can be fold down. LED taillights, exterior color name is Deep Impact Blue, and the front part design was borrowed from Aston Martin because Ford owns 15% of Aston Martin. MSRP for this level trim is a little bit over $32,000. And this is it for my short tour of 2013 Ford Fusion Hybrid. I hope you liked this video, leave your comments below, and see you next time.